In this video, we're going to look at how to take a website that you've built on your computer and upload it to your domain name. Let's say we've got a website, such as the one here on my desktop. It's really simple. It consists of an index.html file, a CSS file, and a JPEG image. And let's say I want to get that to my website. What I'm going to do is use a program called FileZilla. It's free, and we're going to download it. So I'm opening up my browser. Just give it a moment. And we're going to go to download.com and download it from there. So type in download.com into your URL bar of your browser, and then once we're here, search for FileZilla. There's a lot of other programs that do the same thing, but this is my personal favorite. There are other ones that are great as well, but this is my personal preference. So click download now. I've already got this installed on my computer, so I'm not going to actually install it. I'm just showing beginners the steps involved in this. I'm going to assume that you know how to install the program, so I'll skip ahead a little bit and actually open up FileZilla now. And it's basically asking for three pieces of information. You need to fill in the host field, the username field, and the password field. And once it has that information, you click Quick Connect, and that allows you to send files to the server where your website will be stored. So the host is the URL of your site. You don't need the HTTP or anything. It's just the name of whatever .com or .ca. So in this case, I'll type in the URL and then the username and password are in the welcome email that you received when you first opened up your webguru.ca web hosting account. If you're unsure of either one of those, you can contact support and we will be happy to resend you. Oh, I must have mistyped that. Okay, there we go. We're now connected to the servers. And what you're seeing here is the file directory of the servers. It can seem confusing, but really you only need to look for one folder, and that's where your website's going to be stored, and that's where internet browsers are going to look and display whatever is in this folder, and that is the public_HTML folder. So we will double click on that to open that up. And now it's just a matter of dragging your folders onto this pane here. So I'm going to select the files of my website and click them and hold them down and drag them over here. It's probably going to, if you have no files in your web hosting account yet, you won't get this, but this is just asking if I want to overwrite the index.html file because there was already a file with that name, and I'm going to click yes. And so it's now uploaded. you may have noticed it was showing the progress of the upload in this pane down here, and because the files are very small, it only took a few split seconds to upload. And that's it. And what we'll do is, just to make sure it is uploaded, we'll open our browser again and go to the domain, and if your website that you create on your computer is displaying on your domain, that means that the upload went well. Alright, that concludes this video.